How to make no-bake cookies the right way. Step-by-step tutorial. Best way to do it. 1 minute oats. And you gotta fill this to a precise 3 cups.
3 cups of 1 minute oats.
Into the bowl.
How much sugar are you using?
1 whole cup. Precisely.
Great, chef.
Okay, it's very important. Have everything prepped before you turn on the heat.
Don't turn the heat on yet.
You want a 1/4 cup of this stuff.
A 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Whole milk or water. This right here is the difference between a good batch and a bad batch.
Peanut butter.
Another very important step. Have your peanut butter measured out before you turn on the heat.
How much peanut butter?
A whole cup, precisely. Make sure and fluff out the bubbles. Ready for some serious YouTube action? Keep stirring it. You cannot let it boil at all. You gotta let the butter melt completely through. And then, after it's melted all the way through, then you let it boil.
Melting the chocolate, the sugar, and milk.
And the butter.
And the butter. It's starting to boil.
Yeah, it's getting there. Okay, now. Okay, now here. Turn it down slightly. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 seconds. That is boiling.
Just do that.
Bunch of drops of vanilla just went in. Big drops.
You just guess the vanilla.
It's a guesstimate.
Turn this guy back on.
Turn that back on. Vanilla's been added, and now he's adding the peanut butter.
Get all that peanut butter in there. And you turn that off. Mix this.
Mixing the peanut butter in there thoroughly.
All the way melted.
Now you just poured the chocolate, peanut butter, vanilla, sugar, milk mixture over the top of that 1 minute oatmeal.
Stuff together real good, real fast. We're on a time limit here. Should do this in like 2 minutes or so.
Isaac.
Huh?
What if someone had several arrest warrants for being ugly? What if somebody had 3 arrest warrants for being ugly?
How long will it take for those cookies to dry?
15, 20 minutes. Possibly 30.
What are you eating?
A banana.
I think you took a cookie. There's a cookie missing right there.
You ate cookies?
Good.
Well, just how they trained us in Harvard. Okay.
Which is what?
If you ever want to cook anything, get on this advanced website called GOOGLE. Google.